Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are in Watford and I'm going to show you how to deal with the Dome Roundabouts, which you're going to have it on your practical driving test. I'm going to approach the Dome Roundabouts from Woodmere Avenue. We're going to turn left into the A41. So we're going to follow road signs towards Aylesbury at the moment. So the Dome Roundabout is a traffic light control, so you don't have to give priority to the right unless there's like emergency vehicle approaching the roundabout. So we're turning now into the A41 towards Aylesbury. So if you are on your driving test, you usually come from your right side on this situation here. So you usually approach it from south going towards north. So turning into the A41, at the moment there's 2 lanes into the dual carriageway. But as you can see on the signs, they're going to narrow down into 1 lane. Now a single file traffic lane. Bit busy at the moment. So we're going to start by turning right at the Dome Roundabout. We're going to go A41 to St Albans Road. That's the name of the road. So we're going towards Garston in this situation. So this single file traffic lane is going to split up again a bit further up, and yeah, on this situation, if you don't know which lane to choose, you need to look at the road markings. So now the single lane is going to split up into 2. I'm going to keep right because this is the lane I'm interested in, and if I'm looking at the road markings, this is the lane for going A41 to St Albans Road towards Garston. So we're not interested in the right hand lane, the rightmost lane, because that one goes Sainsbury. So we're going to just go straight ahead into the Dome Roundabout. It's quite trafficy. Let's see if there's room for me to continue. There is. And here I'm going to keep a bit closer towards the right. I'm going to check my interior right or mirror signal right, even though you don't have to because it's traffic light controlled. And I'm just keeping towards the right as much as possible. Now the lane into the middle is going to exit, which means I need to start changing lanes towards the left. So I'm checking interior left with the right signal still on. Now traffic light is green. I'm keeping as much left as possible, checking mirrors and signaling. Now from a 50 miles an hour road, I'm going into a 30 miles an hour road. So make sure you watch your speed around here. And that's it. That's how you do a right turn into the Dome Roundabout. So I'm back at the same crossroad, the Woodmere Avenue crossroad, but this time around I'm approaching it from Wesley Avenue, and I'm going to turn right into the A41 towards Aylesbury, and we're going to approach the Dome Roundabout. This time around we're going to follow the road signs towards Aylesbury, which on the Dome Roundabout is your second exit. I emerge straight away into the left lane because I'm not overtaking anyone. And again, these two lanes are going to merge. So it's very important to check your rider mirror and see who's overtaking you at this point. And try and get to the speed limit as much as possible. This is a 50 miles an hour road. Following signs towards Aylesbury. So in this situation, when the two lanes are going to split up, I'm going to need the left-hand lane here. So if you look at the road sign here, Aylesbury is straight ahead. So left-hand lane, center left in this situation to go straight and left at the Dome Roundabout. The leftmost lane, that's for going into Asda, so we don't want to use that. Going to follow the road ahead towards Aylesbury, which means I need the middle lane at this point. So I'm checking my interior right, because a lot of people in this situation are in the wrong lane. So vehicles from your right side, they're going to usually merge into the center line. Center lane, sorry. So I'm keeping an eye on the right side. I'm trying to be as much as to the center as possible. And if I'm looking at the road markings, there was a road marking telling me this is the lane for A41 Aylesbury. Check interior left, signal left. Check your rider mirror just in case. And the speed limit on this road is 40 miles an hour. That's how you take the second exit on the Dome Roundabout. So I'm back on the Wesley Avenue. We're going to turn right again into the A41 towards Aylesbury, and I'm going to show you the last exit, how to take the last exit on the Dome Roundabout. the A41, left lane again, because I'm not overtaking anyone. This is your standard driving lane. These two lanes are going to merge into one. I'm checking my radar mirror to see if anyone is overtaking me. There's no one here at the moment. And I'm trying as much as possible to do the 50 miles an hour, to be close to the 50 miles an hour speed limit on this road. Yeah, I know it's not the target, it's a limit, but you need to show confidence on your driving test. And this is quite clear road, I can do easily 45. So now I'm going to go towards North Watford. It's my first exit on the Dome Roundabout. So again, I'm going to need the left lane, the same lane I was going Aylesbury, which is second exit on the Dome Roundabout. And after the traffic lights, the lanes are going to split into three. I'm going to need the leftmost lane, the one that has a left turn only road marking on it. Guys, so we're moving off now. So I'm starting to move off into the left. I'm going to mirror signal left, even though you don't have to, because it's a traffic light control roundabout. And now I'm keeping an eye on the cars onto my right. Some people might cut you off, so just keep an eye on them. Keep the signal until you finish the maneuver. And again, this is a 30 miles an hour road I'm joining. And that's how we deal with the last exit on the Dome Roundabout. Approaching it from the A41 south